Hey lovelies, I'm Lisa and welcome to my channel, Lovely Channel. Today I am sharing with you a fall clean and decorate with me. So I'm going to give you tons of cleaning motivation and fall decorating ideas and inspiration. So if that is interesting to you and you want to get your house all clean and ready and decorated for fall, come along with me as we clean and decorate together. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. I post other videos like this about homemaking, decorating, mom life, and I also do a live Bible study every week, so be sure to tune in for that. First, I am starting off with my hutch, and as you can see, I do have some 4th of July decor, so I'm going to be taking down all of that decor throughout this video, and I am just wiping down my shelves, giving them a good dust. Weekly, I only dust using a feather duster, so whenever I'm redecorating like this, I actually like to get in there with a cloth and some dusting spray and really clean up the space. And as you can see here, I have 2 bins of all my fall decor, so I got those out of the garage. I found the best way for me to clean and decorate seasonally is just to do one little space at a time. I find just going by one little space at a time, I am able just to focus more on that area and I don't end up with a big mess at the end. Normally, when I'm just doing my entire house at once, my dining room table becomes the area to store all of my extra decor and fall decor, kind of like this right here. But since I'm just doing one area at a time, it didn't build up too much and I took care of this right away, so I didn't have a big mess at the end of this whole process. So I'm cleaning off any of this decor and putting away all my 4th of July decor that I took off my hutch, and I'm going to be working on my dining room table next to clean it with my Mrs. Meyers Acorn Spice Spray, which smells amazing, by the way. It's perfect for fall and to get you in the fall mood. And then I'm also using my Pledge Restore and Shine. I don't use this as much as I would like to, but when I do use it on my table, it just polishes it and leaves it so beautiful. I also like to use it on our island in our kitchen, and it just leaves this beautiful sheen and makes it look new. If you're curious about any of the fall decorations in this video, or any of the DIY fall decor I will be talking about where everything came from when I post my fall home tour in a couple of weeks, so be on the lookout for that. But if you have any specific questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer them. But if not, be sure to look out for that fall home decor video. I usually like to keep my dining room table pretty simple. Just sometimes I like to use a table runner like this. It's just a small one, and then have a few things because we do eat at our dining room table a lot and we need the space to be able to eat and put food on. So next I'm moving on to this area that I call my tea cart. And I have this shelf that I also like to decorate, and as you can see I have more 4th of July decor that I'm taking down, just giving everything a really good dusting and starting to redecorate the space with my fall decor. I'm definitely inspired by farmhouse style. I know I love Fixer Upper and Joanna Gaines, all that kind of stuff. I know a lot of people like that. But I think I have my own spin on it. I have an eclectic collection of vintage items, antique items, but also new stuff as well. So it's just kind of my own mix, my own take on that style. I love things to look beautiful and decorated, but still be very practical and useful. I am showing you guys some shots after I decorate, as you can see here, but I have changed a few things around throughout this whole video. The finishing touches you're seeing here might be a little bit different when you do see my fall home decor video. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up because that helps me out a lot. Now we are moving into my living room. This is like the back area of my living room behind our couch. And so I am just, again, tidying up this space, giving it a really good dusting before I decorate. This is my son River, by the way. You will see him throughout the video. There's some really cute footage of him later on in this video where he was vlogging and talking to the camera, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Now I'm moving on to our love seat area. We have this side table and I have this wreath above that I like to change up seasonally, and nothing says fall like some blankets and pillows, so I'm going to be changing these up to make it nice and cozy in our living room. Wreaths are one of my favorite things to decorate with, and I just love adding different sprigs in there to give it a more fall look. I love the look of wreaths. I think they're so cozy, but still have that organic, kind of bringing the outdoors inside look, and I just love that. By the way, I'm thinking of painting this headboard that I have hung up white. I want to know what you guys think about that. Should I leave it black or should I paint it white? What do you think? If you are getting inspired by this video to decorate your home for fall, think of somebody who you think would love some fall inspiration too, or some cleaning motivation, and would you do me a favor and please share it with that person? You can share it on social media, or you could just share it with a friend or a family member, but it really helps if you enjoy my channel and you enjoy my videos. When you share it with other people, it just really helps out my channel and my videos. I know sometimes when I watch these videos and I see what other people have in their homes and what they look like, I can get a little bit jealous or feel a little bit defeated about my own space, just with comparing it to others and what others have. I just want to encourage you, whatever budget you have, whatever your home looks like, you can spruce up your home with a little bit of cleaning, and you can do fall decor very budget friendly. There's a lot of things that you can do to make your home feel like fall, even with things you already own, or very inexpensively with supplies from the Dollar Tree or thrift stores. That is really how we started with our fall decor when my husband and I first got married. We did not have a lot of money, and even now we still like to be on a budget. We don't have a ton of money just to spend on fall decor, so I just want to encourage you with that. You can still make your home look cozy and fall-like, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. I'm just going to continue to work on the rest of our living room, just adding some simple fall touches, and I also decorated my desk space. I love to decorate that area and make it all pretty because that's where I like to work, and I like to feel inspired where I work. if fall is one of your favorite seasons like it is for me, and if you love cleaning motivation and fall decorating ideas like this Saturday, I am going to be posting a live fall cleaning and decorating marathon. So I'm going to be posting a bunch of my old videos that have to do with fall cleaning and decorating to give you guys a ton of motivation. There will also be some fall DIY decor ideas in there too, so be sure to stay tuned for that. I will actually have the premiere notification in the description, so you can go ahead and set a notification for it to remind you, so that way when I go live on Saturday, you can come and watch. Now I am moving on to our bookshelf, and I'm just kind of reorganizing this. I wanted to move all the books up and only have them in every other shelf. That way I could do some fall decor in the other spaces of the bookshelf, and I'm just giving it a really good dusting as well. On top of the bookshelf in this little basket, this is actually a hymn book that I'm opening up to, and for each season I like to open it up to hymns that go with that season. So for this one, for fall and everything, I kind of did hymns on Thanksgiving and just being thankful. So I love this little hymn book. I got it at a secondhand bookstore a year ago or so. And that is my husband being funny and wanting to be on the camera. And this is my American Girl doll. I recently pulled her out, and I'm using her as a decor. So I'm changing her outfit to be in her normal Samantha. It's the Samantha doll, by the way. So I'm changing it into her outfit that she actually came in because I thought it looked fall. And whenever I pull her out and start to change her, River likes to come check it out too. He thinks she's cool. Notice the fall Bath and Body Works candle, Pumpkin Patch. Leave your favorite fall candle scent below. Mine is actually Leaves by Bath and Body Works, and when I filmed this video I was out of it, but I just got one recently, so I'm going to be putting that out soon. Now I'm moving onto my entryway, just dusting off these shelves again, getting any 4th of July decor out of the way, and then I'm going to start decorating with my fall decor. And by the way, when I'm decorating, I don't have a set way that I'm decorating. I kind of just look at this space and try to use what I have, and I'll kind of mix and match stuff. And you know, sometimes it takes me a while. As you can see here, I'm rearranging things and trying different things out on these shelves. So it takes me some time. I'll, you know, step back and look at it, see how I like it, and tweak it and change things up until I find something that I really like. Sometimes I use Pinterest to get ideas. But a lot of this was just things I was just kind of experimenting with the decor and seeing what I liked. There's Brylan again being funny with the camera. Moving on to the opposite side of my entryway right here where my entry table is at, just clearing that off because there was some stuff on there, giving it a really good clean as well, and then I'm going to decorate. And this is where you're going to see River just be really cute, talking to the camera and vlogging. I had to leave that footage in there. It was just so precious to me. I hope you guys think it's cute too. You're just showing off. And here's how my entryway table turned out at the end. It's really special with that footage of River because I have these same fall cleaning and decorating videos from the past few years. So I have it from when he was a newborn and last year when he was 1, and then now I have this one for when he's 2, so I can really look back and see the changes. So I love having that in here. And as you can see, I have my little helper helping me vacuum. He loves to vacuum and use his little vacuum. If you guys have little ones and they're the kind that just love to help you out, I will link this vacuum that we got him below if this is something you want for your little one too. I also always get questions about our vacuum, so I will have that linked below too if you're wanting to check out the vacuum that we have. We've had it for several years. I think it's been almost 4 or 5, it might be almost 5 years that we've had this vacuum, and it's worked so well for us. I love it. It's really good at picking up pet hair because we have 3 dogs, so we need a good vacuum for all that pet hair. And then I did decide to vacuum off our little ottoman up here because it was looking kind of dingy. And now I'm moving on to my kitchen. I like to keep the decor very, very minimal in the kitchen because I still want it to be very functional. We cook almost all our meals at home, so we use our kitchen a lot. So I need the counter space as much as possible, but I do like to have some things out on the counter that I use and still make them look pretty, and then have a couple little decor items. And I actually lost the rest of my footage here for the rest of the kitchen, so you're only going to see part of the kitchen here. But like I said, I am going to be posting a fall home decor tour in just a couple of weeks, so you will get to see the rest of the kitchen and what the fall decor looks like in there in that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell if you have not already. I will see you guys on Thursday for our live Bible study, and then I'll see you again on Saturday for my live fall cleaning and decorating marathon. So if you want to be notified about any of those videos, I will have them linked in the description, so you can go ahead and click your notification bell on those videos to be notified when I go live. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.